This video covers changing learning unit titles and selective release of learning units. In order to change a learning unit, as you can see I'm in my lessons section, go down to the learning unit you want to change the name for. And we're going to look at learning unit 1 and go over to the middle box, the edit box, and click on that. Now you must maintain the learning unit 1 or learning unit 2, learning unit 3, learning unit 4. But you can add on to that as well in order to give your students a description or a better description of what the learning unit entails. So I suggest you put a colon, and I already have one named Lesson Planning and Instructional Technology Video Use and Design. I'll go ahead and click on that. So that's how you change the learning unit name. Now, in order to change the selective release, which is the start date, you simply go down to Start Date, you click on the box, and it will have this pop-up menu. Now I'm going to scroll over to Next until July 1st, because July 1st is when the course begins. So I'll click on July 1st. I want it to be 12 a.m., so it starts at midnight, and then click on Done. So I have 7/1/2019 at 12 a.m. And I have Learning Unit 1, Lesson Planning and Instructional Video Use and Design. Simply scroll down and select Save. Now, when you see your new learning unit title, you'll see your title, Learning Unit 1, Lesson Planning and Instructional Video Use and Design, and you'll see the start date. The students will see something a little different. They're going to see the start date, but they'll see that it's locked and that this lesson has not been opened yet or is already closed. Don't close your learning unit. Just leave them open after you're finished with it, but you do want to lock them or selectively release them, and you want to do that for each learning unit. The purpose of this is for your students not to work too far ahead or to work ahead. You want them to stay on the same learning unit, and you want them to be able to act as a single group versus working ahead and finishing the learning unit quickly and then just running away from the course and never returning. So that's how you change your learning unit names and select and change your start date or your selective release.